Have you ever wondered how to keep a clean room cool and safe in a hazardous environment? In this video, we will show you how explosion-proof air conditioning. Explosion-proof air conditioning consists of two main components, an internal unit and an external unit. The internal unit is installed inside the clean room and provides cool air to the occupants and equipment. The external unit is located outside the hazardous area and contains the compressor, condenser, and fan. The two units are connected by pipelines that carry refrigerant between them. The internal unit is enclosed in a heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant casing that protects it from damage and prevents any sparks or flames from escaping. The casing also has a pressure relief port that allows excess pressure to vent safely in case of an explosion. The internal unit also has a filter that removes dust and particles from the air before it enters the clean room. The external unit is also enclosed in a sturdy casing that protects it from harsh weather and environmental conditions. The external unit has a spark arrestor that prevents any sparks from igniting the flammable substances in the air. The external unit also has a grounding system that prevents static electricity from building up and causing sparks. The pipelines that connect the two units are made of stainless steel or copper and are insulated to prevent heat loss and condensation. The pipelines also have explosion-proof valves and fittings that prevent leaks and ruptures. We hope you enjoy this video and learn more about explosion-proof air conditioning in a clean room. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at any time.